if you're experiencing controller drift while playing AFC 25, this guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue step by step. Follow these instructions carefully to restore your gaming experience. Step 1. Identify the drift. Check if your controller is indeed experiencing drift. Open a game or the controller settings menu and observe if the character or cursor moves without input. This will confirm the issue. Step 2. Clean the controller. Turn off the controller and use compressed air or a soft cloth to clean around the analog sticks. Dust and debris can cause drift, so ensure the area is clear. Step 3. Reset the controller. Locate the reset button on your controller, usually found on the back. Use a small tool to press and hold the button for a few seconds. This can help recalibrate the controller. Step 4. Update firmware. Connect your controller to a gaming device and check for firmware updates. Manufacturers often release updates that can fix bugs, including drift issues. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Step 5. Adjust dead zone settings. In the game settings, look for controller options and adjust the dead zone settings. Increasing the dead zone can help minimize the effects of drift by requiring more movement before the controller registers input. By following these steps, you should be able to address the controller drift issue effectively. If the problem persists, consider seeking professional repair or replacement options.